duckling left us. Just bury him. We will miss you forever, Duckling.
Haha, we're leaving, doll. Goodbye.
Hey, wait! Where are you going?
We are millionaires because of the inheritance.
I have to do something to get my friend back. I'll save him again. I'm almost there. Okay, first I'll have to dig him up. Wait a second. Now I don't know how to get it to move.
I'm back. I'm here to help you, kids. Back off now, doll. I'll handle it. Let's go. This duckling deserves to live.
Like and subscribe.